What is Stripe? Stripe Incorporated is an Irish-American multinational financial services and software as a service company dual-headquartered in South San Francisco, California, United States, and Dublin, Ireland. Key features and offerings of Stripe include payment processing, subscription billing, developer-friendly API, security, global reach, payouts. Stripe has gained popularity among startups, small businesses, and large enterprises alike due to its ease of use, flexibility, and robust set of features. Many online platforms and e-commerce websites use Stripe as their payment gateway to process transactions securely and efficiently. Is Stripe a safe way to pay? Stripe is certified as a Level 1 service provider, which is the highest level of certification for payment processors. Stripe complies with the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS, a set of security standards established by major card brands like Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Is Stripe available for e-commerce? Stripe is a popular choice for e-commerce businesses looking for a reliable and flexible payment processing solution. It offers a range of features that make it suitable for handling online transactions, subscription billing, and more. Here are some ways Stripe is commonly used in the context of e-commerce. Payment processing. One of the core features of Stripe is its ability to process online payments. It supports various payment methods, including credit cards, digital wallets such as Apple Pay and Google Pay, and other alternative payment methods. Integration with e-commerce platforms. Stripe provides plugins and integrations for many popular e-commerce platforms, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, and others. This makes it easy for businesses to integrate Stripe into their existing online stores. Subscription billing. For e-commerce businesses offering subscription-based services or products, Stripe subscription billing features come in handy. It allows for the management of recurring payments and subscription plans. Mobile commerce. Stripe supports mobile commerce, m-commerce, by providing SDKs, software development kits, for mobile app development. This enables businesses to accept payments through their mobile applications seamlessly. Global currency support. E-commerce businesses that operate on a global scale can benefit from Stripe's support for multiple currencies. This allows them to accept payments in different currencies and provide a seamless shopping experience for customers around the world. Security. Security is a top priority for e-commerce transactions. Stripe is PCI DSS, Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, compliant, and provides additional security features, such as two-factor authentication and fraud prevention tools. Customizable checkout. Stripe Checkout is a pre-built, hosted checkout page that businesses can use to securely collect payment details. It simplifies the payment process and provides a customizable user interface. Analytics and reporting. Stripe offers reporting and analytics tools that allow businesses to track and analyze their transaction data. This information can be valuable for understanding sales trends and making informed business decisions. Developer-friendly API. Developers appreciate Stripe's well-documented API, which allows for easy integration and customization of payment processes within the e-commerce platform. Overall, Stripe provides a comprehensive set of tools for handling payments in the e-commerce space, making it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. Its ease of integration, global reach, and commitment to security contribute to its widespread adoption in the e-commerce industry. How many days is it possible to get the first payment? Payout availability varies depending on your industry and country of operation. Typically, when you start processing live payments, Stripe schedules your initial payout for 7 to 14 days after you successfully receive your first payment. In some cases, the first payout might take longer, depending on the country of operation or industry risk level. Subsequent payouts follow the schedule that you define in your account's payout schedule. How to use Stripe for payments as a non-US resident. For you to set up a Stripe account legally without any future issues as a non-US resident, you'll need the following. U.S. Business Formation, LLC. You can get different U.S. business formations from the International Revenue Service of the United States of America. EIN, Employer Identification Number, or Tax ID. Also, you can get an EIN, Employer Identification Number, or Tax ID from the International Revenue Service of the United States of America. U.S. Physical Address. If you are a non-USA resident, you can buy a virtual USA business address for your business, a U.S. phone number. If you don't live in the USA, you can get a virtual USA phone number for your e-commerce. Finally, U.S. bank account. You should use a USA bank account. Then you need to go to the registration section of Stripe. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel to stay informed about innovations in the world of e-commerce. Discover the e-commerce world with us.